Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Xubuntu 25.10 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Xubuntu official website, that is xubuntu.org. Click on download. See here we have the Xubuntu 25.10. So click on this Xubuntu desktop for 64-bit operating system. So click on it to download. No need to register. See torrent file downloaded. Okay, then click on this torrent file. See here I have already downloaded. Okay, in your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then go through this video description, or you can search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded IIS image. Go select other. Then select the Xubuntu 25.10 desktop IIS image. Click on open. See, once we selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Ubuntu, OS version 64-bit. Okay, and select this one, proceed with unattended installation. Then come to this virtual hardware. Then provide the memory. I am giving 4 GB memory, 2 CPUs. Then virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 GB. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start, or right click, then select start and start the GUI. All two are same. Click on start to install Xubuntu 25.10 on VirtualBox. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Xubuntu, and hit enter. See, if you want to use live environment, you can use and you can shut down. But if you want to install permanently, see here on desktop we have the install Xubuntu 25.10. So right click on it, then select execute. Select the language and click on next. Select keyboard layout from this list and click on next. Connect to internet, use wired connection or do not connect to the internet. I want to use wired connection, then click on next. Type of installation, interactive or automated with auto install file. I want to go with interactive installation. Select it and click on next. See here we have the two types, Xubuntu minimal or Xubuntu desktop. This is the full featured Xubuntu desktop. So I am going with it. Click on next. If you want to install proprietary softwares like third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, you have to select the checkbox. And if you want to download and install support for additional media formats, you have to select the checkbox. Those are up to you. Whatever you want, you can select it. You can select and click on next. See, this is the fresh installation, so I am going to select erase disk and install Xubuntu. Or if you want manual installation, you have to select the checkbox. Okay, then click on next. Encryption, I don't want. Next. Now create or set up user. I am giving user full name as R2schools, and this is a computer name or host name. Later also you can change it. This is the username. Then provide the password or set the password. Confirm the same. Then click on next. Select the time zone on the globe, or you can search here. Okay, I am going with default, so click on next. See, these are the choices that I have selected. If you want to modify any one of them, you can click on this back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, you can click on install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on restart now. See the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay, go to VirtualBox manager. Then see here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, just click on it and select the remove the disk from the virtual drive. Then come to virtual machine and hit enter to restart. Now provide the password of this user that we have set. Notice here on the desktop, before we are having installed Xubuntu 25.10. Now it is gone. Now Open terminal. Now verify the version. mod/etc os-release. See, we have installed 25.10. Okay, quit. Control A. The first step after connecting to Xubuntu is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. All packages are up to date. Okay, Control A. So this video we have seen how to download and install Xubuntu 25.10 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.